So here are 15 things you must do in order to 10x your SEO. So I have written some notes right here. So what I want to do is I'm going to reveal it to you one by one. So with that being said, the first one is if you have existing pages, focus first on quick wins. Keywords in positions 4 to 20 before publishing a new content. Now what I mean by that, so what you need to do is first thing, you want to pull up Google Search Console or Google Analytics, find out what is the maximum number of search volume or clicks or impressions, whatever it is you are already ranking, because that keywords probably have already built up the topical authority, so that is why they are getting consistent traffic. And then you need to focus on that. Okay, so you focus on existing keywords and existing pages, and then you can broaden out. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Second thing is, the secret to ranking in Google is hiding blind side. Analyze results and reverse engineer what works. So that literally means the same thing. So you already analyze what's working and then ignore everything else. So if you're writing on two niches and one is getting impressions, clicks, but another one is not getting you much impressions or compared to other one, then you need to double down and work on what is already getting you the results. Okay, and then you have something called the third one, which is a Google doesn't care when you publish. Don't sit on content getting an index quickly. Allow Google to do its thing. Now people many people procrastinate, right? They sit on a content, they don't publish. So what you want to do is you continuously write content, publish it, and then write content. And it also signals that you're already you're updating in a real time. So that's what it means. So that's just I added a point. And then we have the fourth one, which is a publish more and quickly to rank better and faster. Even if it is you don't have to always write 1,000 words article or 2,000 words article. You can literally go with a minimum. You can also write 100 words, 200 words, and then you can update it later, like create a supporting articles. Doesn't matter, you need to have one pillar content, and that's just the job. And then you have fifth one, which is start at the bottom of the funnel first. More conversions, more conversions, less traffic. Then move up the funnel, less conversions, more traffic. So I'm just gonna, this is a very important point. I'm just gonna repeat it. Start at the bottom of the funnel first. More conversions, less traffic, and then move up, less conversions. Like, you need to have an email list. So the best thing to do is, so I'm speaking about this fifth one. At the beginning itself, you need to have an email list and metapixel setup, and you can use that metapixel, drive Facebook traffic to your blog, or you can also drive traffic from Pinterest to blog, or you can do email retargeting. So it's why important, convert first and then focus on traffic later. Sixth one we have, publishing is 70% of the work. The other 30% is optimizing the page over time to achieve the results. None of the blog is perfect, and you don't have to expect. Okay, Google even doesn't expect you to be perfect. You can literally create and then optimize over the time. Okay, so that's what I mean. And then you have seventh one, which is spend the most time optimizing power factors like titles, headings, introduction, keyword usage, topics. Guys, I have made a video about Google leak, SEO API leak. So in that I have prioritized talking about getting more clicks. Okay, so in order to get more clicks, you need to have this clickbaity title, and also the title should be relevant to the blog. So focus on that. Okay, and then you have the eighth one, which is a more content greater than backlinks. Like if you're a business website, then getting backlinks is one thing. Like you need to show the domain authority and all. But if you're really a blogger, if you're just publisher, and if you really want to get the traffic, even if you're running a business website, then focusing on more content than backlinks. Like people rely on backlinks. I don't know why. Like they get a 1 or 2 high quality backlink and they expect more results. That's not just true. Ninth one we have, let me just erase this literally. focus on the 80-20 rule. 80% of SEO results come from 20% of your actions. So what the actions can be is, again, it always, it go back to 7 points. Spend the most time optimizing the power factors. The 10th one is the best source of conversion. Focus topics come from your customers and understanding their pain points. Now, if you literally go to Google search or analyze what are the keywords driving traffic to your blog, then you will eventually end up with users searching for the pain points and ending up on the blogs, right? So which is why focusing content on one-on-one is a really great way to build up a connection, and also it's really important when your intention is behind the conversions. And then you have comprehensively covered topics in your niche to build topical authority and reduce your time to rank. Your pages rank will quickly. Okay, so what I mean by when you build topical authority, right, on the same niche, then it doesn't take more time to rank your pages quickly because you already topical authority in that niche. 12th one is create individual pages to target each intent on topic. That is, blog posts on landing pages to ensure capture users at all touch points. So you get what I'm talking about, right? And then 31, we have always match the intent for the page type and the format. So this is also a very important thing. You need to give away users what they came for. And then the next thing we have is link building is oversaturated. Link building is overrated and waste of time for many websites. Focus instead on brand building and earning links. Now this indicates that you need to go all in on social media. So what we call the spider social media, the consistent social media branding. So brand your entire thing and build. Also you can also earn links. Okay. So when you go big, the people will come to you for backlinks. So group pages into logical topic clusters, implement internal links between those pages and build relevancy. Now what this means is basically internal linking, creating topical pillar content and then supporting articles, and then interlinking with each other. So that's what it means, group pages into logical topical clusters. So that's that. We have this 15 things you must do to 10x your SEO. And I want to introduce you AI SEO writer to write or auto-publish your blogs to a domain. So this is the software which I even use to automate my blogging. I can run campaigns 24/7. Let this tool software take my SEO articles publication to my WordPress. So we have all these features right here, and then we have this blog automation. If I go here, I can click on create campaign and run the automations. If I go to integrations, on these are the partners that supports the Arvo AI SEO writer. So you literally have Blogger, Shopify, Squarespace, WordPress, and also custom API. The link will be in the description. Make sure to check that out. Also, you'll get to join a weekly live call with our SEO expert coach who teach you all the things you need to updated things about Google SEO and ranking, and also link building strategy. So that being said, catch you on the next one.